Okay, so this is that fail-safe mode I was telling you about. And I don't know how well you can hear this, but I'll try to get the camera in as close as I can. So again, I don't know how well you can hear that, but I will go ahead. Well, first of all, I'll show you that I disconnected the inverter from the house, and so it's only 167 watts because of the lights in the garage. But I'll go ahead and shut the inverter off, and you'll be able to hear the difference. And I'll try to crank up the volume for you. So you can definitely hear the difference between the two. I don't know what causes this, but I always notice it because my battery backups inside will start to complain that the signal isn't clean, and then they take over. But it's still putting out voltage, it's still putting out amperage, everything seems to be fine. So yeah, I can't quite figure out, it's actually a little bit higher now, but I can't quite figure out what causes that. It's completely random. It's not, I mean, my battery bank right now is sitting at about 27 volts, but it's been consistent between 26 and 27 volts, depending on load. So yeah, that's the problem that I'm having with this particular inverter, and I'm not really sure what causes it, but the inverter just, for some reason, goes into some kind of a fail-safe mode. Even though it's still putting out energy, it's not clean energy, I guess. So, yeah, it's kind of strange, but I kind of wanted to get that on video for you guys the next time it happened. It's been, it happened a couple times yesterday. This is the first time it's happened today, and I've had this inverter running for the last probably 10 hours. So, anyway, that's what it is. That's what I was talking about in my previous video.